a few y'all out there that have a 87 Yamaha Exciter like I do, maybe wondering how to replace the pull rope on the pull start on it. I'll show you how to do that real quick. I just did this yesterday on this one. It's the 570cc 2-stroke in it. Year 87 Yamaha Exciter. So, pull rope was broke and it sat for like 5 years. But it's not hard to replace, so I'll show you how to do that. First, there's just a couple bolts you have to undo. There's this little guy. Usually there's one there, but this one has the quick release options, you know, it doesn't have that. So then, you have to take off this coolant line right here. Just a clamp on the hose, you take that off, pull that off, and then there's 4 bolts on the pull rope assembly itself. There's 1 bolt there, 1 bolt there, 1 bolt down there, and right in there. And then with that hose out of the way, you can just slide that out and up. And I won't show you how to actually replace the pull rope because it's just like any other snowmobile pull rope. There's other videos, it's pretty easy. But then, if the rope was broke, you may run into the problem where I did of where do you run the rope. So it goes underneath, behind the brakes, and there's a little metal hook down below this braking system. Little eyelet. And that goes underneath that, and then through that other metal eyelet there. Then out there. This one had all sorts of carb issues after sitting for so long, but we'll fire her up and see if she'll start for us. Do a cold start. Okay. Give her a couple. Give her some choke. Just like that, fires up. So there you go. That's how you replace a pull rope on a 87 Yamaha Exciter snowmobile. It's not bad. It took me like an hour, and that's with running to the store to get the rope. It's just 1/4-inch nylon rope. That's all we use. And it'll work good. There you go, guys.